Uncle Roger, this is your nephew, Don Roger. And guess what I'm doing? I am doing your favorite. If I can keep standing up, I'll be doing even better. I got to wash the rice. To get all the powder off, and you're going to get mad. Because I have to use brown rice. I like white rice, but my doctor, who's from Thailand, said I need to stay away from white because white turns into sugars, and sugars cause diabetes. And it's kind of weird because I eat a lot of rice, and as soon as I started with the brown rice, my sugars went down. Now then, go ahead and laugh. But I am going to the second knuckle because I used 2 cups of rice. See? And I'm making Thai coconut curry chicken. Yeah, I use my green curry paste and my red curry paste. And I've got my coconut milk ready. And I've already got garlic, onions, and all that good stuff set up in there. So can you tell what I'm gonna you said just put 1 cup of rice. That ain't enough. You can't feed anybody. No wonder y'all are skinny. That's like I always wondered. I mean, I've been to Okinawa a few times when I was in the Marine Corps. I was married to a Filipina for 17 years. You know, so I've got the basics down, and I got galanga in there. Oh, man. And it's smelling good. It's smelling really good. And I use the little Thai peppers also. But, yeah, I know how to make fried rice. And you're going to get mad at me. You're going to say, brown rice, you know, can make fried rice out of brown rice. But I can. And it's good. And people eat it. But it will be good. And trust me on that. But we'll see if this gets to you. Who knows? I just did it as a joke. Not as a joke, I mean, I'm actually going to eat it. But we'll get back to you. Or maybe you'll get back to me when I send this. And I'm in northern Arizona, so also the store that I buy my rice from, the lady who owns it is from Thailand also. And between her and my doctor, they're keeping me alive. So here goes nothing. Okay, where's Uncle Roger? I'm going to make egg fried rice with broccoli and some chicken and some onions and the eggs. And my leftover rice. So what we're going to do, we'll add about 2 tablespoons of sesame oil because it says meat. And we're going to get my wok hot. Yes, I do have a wok. And I love my wok. As you say, you love your wok too. Heck, maybe I'm pansexual also. Okay, I'm joking. But woks are good. And it's been used too, you can tell. You see all these people putting their fingers and hands in the wok to see if it's hot enough. Don't do that. Don't. Just trust me. If you want to do something, take something like a bamboo stick, or maybe some of those free chopsticks you get, and put it in your wok while your oil is getting hot. And if it sizzles, it'll tell you your oil is hot enough. Now I'm going to put the onions in first because they take a little bit to get going. And everything will go really quick once I do that. I got chopped up some garlic also. Garlic's pretty good. Okay, let's see. Oh, but I've got a regular convection oven. That's because this place did not come with gas. Maybe Uncle Roger wants to, see, it's kind of hard to see, but it is sizzling. See it? Okay. Here we go. Is everybody ready to see this? Here goes the onions first. Told you. Now watch this. pretty hot. You just want the onions where they're translucent. Just a little bit, okay? Now we're going to throw in big chopped up garlic. Now then, I got my eggs here, and they say if you got to do it with chopsticks, you got to stir them with chopsticks. It just makes it taste better. Okay, so we'll see about this. There goes the egg. And then we're going to throw in leftover fried rice, or leftover rice. And this is brown rice. Don't say nothing. My doctor is Asian, and she says I got to use brown rice because white rice turns into sugars and will give me diabetes. So, hey. I know Uncle Roger won't see this, but what can you say? Next we go with the rice. And it's already cooked. Broccoli. Some chicken. And yes, you do see that. That's some chopped up red Thai chili peppers. Because I like stuff like spicy. And I may even add some sriracha in there. Now, if I want to, I'm going to add just a little bit more sesame oil. And a little bit of soy sauce. Oh yes. I'm going to have to soak the top because okay, we're done. Now there's no way you're going to scoop that out with chopsticks. Smell good in here. Nothing's burnt. Look at there, look at there, look at there. Oh, it looks good, it smells good. And I got a little bit left over. I doubt Uncle Roger's going to see this, but hey, what can you say? He might. But that's how I do my egg fried rice. Okay? Enjoy.